Hello, everyone. Today we will solve some basics derivative examples. So let's start. But before that, let's take a look at the first rule that says d over dx of x power n equal n times x power n minus 1. So the first example for today is d over dx of x cubed plus 4x squared plus radical x equal 3x squared plus 8x plus half x power minus half. And if we simplify it, the answer will be 3x squared plus 8x plus 1 over 2 radical x. Now, let's take a look at another important rule that says d over dx of u times v equal u prime v plus v prime u. Also d over dx of cosine x equal minus sine x. Now let's solve another example. D over dx of 3x squared cosine x. And in this example, u equal 3x squared. So d equals 6x and v equal cosine x. So dv equal minus sine x. And the answer will be 6x cosine x minus 3x squared sine x. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.